Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to find your Binance wallet address. Basically it's pretty easy, just follow the steps I do to not any mistakes. So all we need is open Binance, next click deposit, then crypto deposit and enter the name of the desired coin, for example USDT. Select the desired network, for example Tron, and get the crypto address for entering USDT and QR code. If you have the opportunity, scan the QR code and top up your wallet. If not, then we copy your crypto address and inform the sender or use it ourselves. This can be done with any coin, and if for example a Binance user transfers cryptocurrency to you, you can tell him Binance ID or Pay ID. Go back to the main page and click in the upper right corner of the screen, see your Binance ID, then again and see your Pay ID. We copy and send it to friends, let them send your cryptocurrency. That's all. Also watch my other videos about Binance at the link in description and you will learn a lot. I hope guys this tutorial made your life a little bit easy and you like this video. Subscribe to my channel and write your comment. Goodbye, have a nice day.